How to fix your RBC Bank's card declined. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix your RBC Bank card if it says declined. Now, for some reason, if your card says declined when you're trying to make a purchase or a transaction, it'll most definitely show you the reason as to why it has declined. So in this video, we'll go through some of the most common reasons and how you can fix them. So the first and foremost reason is insufficient funds. Now let's say you just have $100 on your account and you're trying to make a purchase of, let's say, $125. In that case, your card will straight up say decline as you do not have the sufficient funds to cover the transaction. Now the second most common reason is you're entering the incorrect PIN. Now let's say you're putting in the card on the POS and then you're entering the PIN. Now if you enter the wrong PIN, it will say decline as you are not entering your correct PIN. So what you can do is basically reset your PIN or simply change your PIN by talking to the bank. Now the third most common reason may be you have reached your daily limit. Now let's say you just have a daily limit of $1,000 and you've already exceeded all of it. Now even if you try to make a purchase of $10, it will decline as you have exceeded the daily purchase limit. Now what you can do to fix this is basically either increase your limit or simply try again the next day when the limit resets to 0. Now another most common reason is your card is locked or your card has expired. So make sure your card is unlocked and your card is active and activated as well. Now doing this will fix your problem in most of the cases, but if your problem is still there, you can always contact the RBC support team and they will be able to help you from there. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.